My name is Theresa Masilu. I am 11 years old. I like dancing because it makes me feel like I am the one of Miss, like Beyonce, Rihanna, just like many people. I'm here to dance for you. Like I'm here. I'm a star. Thank you.